Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about HoneyBook and whether or not it has instant payout. HoneyBook is a popular project management and invoicing software for freelancers and small businesses. It's a great tool for keeping track of your clients, projects, and finances. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, does HoneyBook have instant payout? I'll also discuss some of the other payment options available to HoneyBook users. Does HoneyBook have instant payout? The answer is no, HoneyBook does not have instant payout. However, HoneyBook does offer a number of other payment options, including direct deposit. This is the most common payment option for HoneyBook users. When you get paid through direct deposit, the money will be deposited directly into your bank account. PayPal, you can also get paid through PayPal. This is a great option if you don't have a bank account or if you want to get paid quickly. Check. You can also get paid by check. This is a good option if you prefer to receive a physical check in the mail. How to get paid through HoneyBook? To get paid through HoneyBook, you first need to create an invoice for your client. Once you've created an invoice, you can send it to your client. When your client pays the invoice, the money will be deposited into your HoneyBook account. You can then withdraw the money from your HoneyBook account to your bank account, PayPal account, or as a check. How long does it take to get paid through HoneyBook? The time it takes to get paid through HoneyBook depends on the payment method you choose. Direct deposit. It usually takes 1 to 2 business days for money to be deposited into your bank account. PayPal. It usually takes 1 to 2 business days for money to be deposited into your PayPal account. Check. It usually takes 7 to 10 business days for a check to be mailed to you. Other payment options for HoneyBook users. In addition to the payment options mentioned above, HoneyBook also offers a number of other payment options for users. HoneyBook Payments. This is a payment processing service that allows you to accept credit card payments from your clients. Stripe. This is a payment processing service that allows you to accept credit card payments from your clients. Square. This is a payment processing service that allows you to accept credit card payments from your clients. HoneyBook does not have instant payout, but it does offer a number of other payment options. If you're looking for a project management and invoicing software that offers instant payout, HoneyBook is not the right choice for you. However, if you're looking for a reliable and affordable project management and invoicing software, HoneyBook is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.